This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about frying pans, specifically these Metlux cast iron frying pans. It's a 6-inch diameter, pre-seasoned pan, and these are also available in 8 and 12-inch sizes as well. It's pre-seasoned with a vegetable oil coating, and it has these great built-in spouts on each side. So especially if you're using them to do things like prepare sauces, or say you're frying something and need to discard or pour out that oil, you've got a great little spout on each side to do so. They're oven safe up to 500 degrees, and they're made for long-lasting use. The pre-seasoning helps to prevent rusting and maintains its lovely appearance, while also allowing you to use less butter and oils while cooking. It's got that wonderful old world charm that allows you to use these to present skillet meals directly to your guests, but it's also a really sturdy, durable tool that means it's going to function well in the back of the house as well. You can easily hang them for storage. They've got a great hole there on the handle as well. And these can be used on grills, stovetops, in ovens, or even over campfires, making them a versatile piece of equipment for any kitchen, whether that's in your home or in a restaurant.